Welcome back to Coded Universe, your guide to understanding the vast world of coding through real-world examples. Today we'll delve into the intriguing process of debugging. Ever lost something and had to retrace your steps to find it? Or worked on a puzzle only to discover a missing piece? Imagine you're a mechanic. A car comes into your garage but it's not running smoothly. The engine's making a strange sound, or perhaps the transmission isn't shifting correctly. It's your job to figure out what's wrong. You roll up your sleeves, pop the hood, and start your investigation. Think about how you'd approach this. You wouldn't just start replacing parts at random, right? You'd begin by diagnosing the problem. Is it the spark plug, the timing belt, maybe the carburetor? No stone is left unturned. You test each component one by one, checking for any abnormalities. Each part of the car represents a segment of code in a program, and just like the mechanic, a programmer checks each segment, looking for the source of the issue. So what's the takeaway? Debugging, like diagnosing a car, is a process of elimination. You test each component one by one, looking for the source of the problem. Or picture yourself as a detective investigating a case. You're faced with a myriad of clues, each one a potential lead towards solving the mystery. The process isn't random, it's systematic and methodical. You start by gathering all the evidence you can find, taking note of every detail. Then you analyze these clues, looking for patterns or inconsistencies. You interview witnesses, cross-referencing their statements with the physical evidence. Each step you take, each clue you scrutinize, is part of the process of elimination. You're narrowing down the field of possibilities. And just like a detective, a programmer has to be patient, meticulous, and tenacious. They sift through lines of code, like a detective would through clues, looking for the one thing that's out of place, the one line that's causing the error. Bit by bit, they narrow down the possibilities until they find the culprit. Debugging in the world of programming is very much like these scenarios. Imagine your code as a car engine, or a case waiting to be solved. To debug is to play the part of both the mechanic and the detective, systematically searching for the source of the problem. But instead of faulty spark plugs or elusive suspects, we're dealing with bugs. These aren't creepy crawlies, but errors or glitches that stop our code from running smoothly. Just like our mechanic tests each part of the engine, or our detective pieces together clues, a programmer tests each part of the code looking for the bug. And with the right tools and a keen understanding of the code, that bug doesn't stand a chance. So, you see, debugging isn't just about fixing code, it's about solving a mystery. Just as the mechanic diagnoses issues with the car or the detective solves a case, a programmer investigates the code. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the coded universe. Our mission is to decode the complexities of programming, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. If you found this exploration into debugging insightful, there's plenty more where that came from. We're always delving into new topics and sharing more real-world examples, so don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing community. And if you know someone who might appreciate this content, don't hesitate to share. Spread the knowledge, and let's grow together in this coded universe. Thank you for being a part of our coded universe. Until next time, keep decoding the mysteries of the coding.